So for the update functionality, what change is required? So first of all, update means what? You can understand update means you're having some value and you want to update that value to the new value. What inputs are required for the update? First of all, we require the array which is filled. We have to traverse the entire array and we will ask user to enter the item which user want to update. So there should be two more inputs we require from the user, the item as well as the new value, that is new val. I'm taking this name of the variable. So the item, suppose the user enter as 3 and the new val, actually suppose user want it to be update with this value, that is 10. In the same example which I have taken for the search, but what modification is required, that we will do. So first of all, what functionality, what logic will be there? First of all, we will be traverse to this complete array from the beginning. Why we need to traverse? Because we have to first of all search the item which user want to update. So here the user want to update the item, that is 3. Therefore the traversing is required, right? And we'll see each element. So therefore what is required? Search functionality is required to search this item 3 in your complete array, so that once you find that item in your array, you can then update it with this new value, that is simply 10. With that, once we get the item, we will simply one more line of instruction will be writing in which that value, that element will be replaced with the new value, that is updated value, that is 10. So that is the name of the operation update, that is you are updating the older value with the new value which the user is providing. So let's see how to modify the search function to bring out this update functionality in the 1D array. So therefore this is the compile time initialization. So this item, I will ask user to enter the item which user want to update. This printf will enter the item and dated value. It will be your two format specifier, new val. So this item, which item user want to update, say user enter actually 3 and the new val user enter as 10. We'll also pass this and this is our update function. So here what will be there, actually it will be like this, one more variable will be added. So integer update. So and then this is the block of your function, that is update. So here actually the same, that is flag is equal to -1 we will initialize. Suppose, because it can happen that the element, that is user, if suppose give different element, that is say 12 and that element is not present in your array. So in that case you have to simply tell the user that the element is not present. So therefore this thing will be present, that is flag is equal to -1. So this will return, we will return this value only if we don't find any element in your entire array. So therefore then we will take a for loop. So the same, we have to traverse the whole array one by one. We have to search each and every element if it is equal to the item which user want to update to. So yes, if it is equal, actually in that case what change it's required, array of then val, then return the index. If you want to return the, you will return the index here, and therefore this LOC will be that the index where you found the element, that is the item, and you wherein you have updated it. So in that case this LOC, this will not be satisfied, else will be satisfied, and you will be getting item found. If the item is not found in this for loop, actually therefore this if condition will be not satisfied, and therefore finally flag will be returned as -1. So here actually we are checking this, if it is -1 then we are displaying the message item not found in the array which you want to update. So this is how you will perform the update functionality in the array. So you can see here what will be the time complexity here. It depends upon the location of the element. If the element is present at the end which you want to update, that is suppose the user enter actually 9. So this 9, you know, it's present at the end. So you have to traverse from beginning to the end. So that much amount of time will be required. If the element is present at the first, suppose user give 5, which user want to update to. So therefore you will get at the very first index, that is at index 0, you will get this element itself. You don't need to traverse to other elements. So therefore it will be O of 1. So you will not take time. It will be very efficient if you found this element at the beginning of the array. So depending upon the index where that element is present, that much amount of time will be taken. So this is about the update functionality. So you can see till now we have seen all the functionalities like insertion, deletion, search, update, as well as the traverse. And the sorting part, we will be dedicating a couple of sessions for it. It's a very important topic. So this I will not cover in the array. It will be a complete different session for the same, and I will be covering multiple programs, different types of sortings, and more things which are required, which are important interview perspective. So I'm done with this array operations. So we'll be meeting in our next session. So till then, take care. Bye bye.